Welcome to Aarti's Education. Today we are going to learn how to solve practice set 12. In this practice set, we are going to multiply the given fractions and also solve their word problems. It's so easy. Let's start how to solve practice set 12. Practice set 12. The first question is multiply. And first sub question in it is 7 upon 5 multiply by 1 upon 4. Now look here. Here are both unlike fractions. There is no need to convert them into like fraction in multiplication. So we are going to multiply them as, just write on the numerator side 7 multiply by 1 and on denominator side 5 multiply by 4. So just multiply them. 7 multiply by 1 it's 7 and 5 multiply by 4 it's 20. This is our answer. It is so easy to multiply the given fractions. Remember, when multiplying two fractions, the product of the numerators is written on the numerator side and product of the denominator is written in the denominator side. We have to just multiply them and find out their product. It's so easy. So look at the second sub question. It is 6 upon 7 multiply by 2 upon 5. So 6 multiply by 2 and 7 multiply by 5. It's 6 multiply by 2, the number we get is 12, and 7 multiply by 5. Here the number we get is 35. Let's solve the third problem. It is 5 upon 9 multiply by 4 upon 9. Just multiply both numerators and denominators of given fractions. 5 multiply by 4 it's 20 and 9 multiply by 9 it's 81. Look at the fourth question. It is 4 upon 11 multiply by 2 upon 7. Let's start to multiply them. 4 multiply by 2, the product we get here is 8, and 11 multiply by 7, the product we get is 77. Look at the fifth question. It's 1 upon 5 multiply by 7 upon 2. One upon 5 multiply by 7 upon 2. Just write in numerator side 1 multiply by 7 and on denominator side 5 multiply by 2. 1 7s are 7 and 5 2s are 10. Sixth question. It is 9 upon 7 multiply by 7 upon 8. 9 multiply by 7 and 7 multiply by 8. Look, it's easy to multiply the given fractions. 9 7s are 63 and 7 8s are 56. You just have to remember the tables. So first recite tables for multiplication very well. So you can solve the given problems easily and quickly. 5 upon 6 is the next question. Multiply by 6 upon 5. Look here, 5 multiplied by 6 and the denominator is 6 multiplied by 5. 5 6 are 30 and 6 5 are 30. We can divide them as 3 31s are 30 and 31s are 30. So 1 is the answer here. Question is given here is 6 upon 17 multiplied by 3 upon 2. The answer is 6 multiplied by 3 divided by 17 multiplied by 2. 6 multiplied by 3 it's 18 and 17 multiplied by 2 it's 34. Here you can also divide both numerator and denominator by the same number to find out shortest answer. So here both numbers are coming in the tables too, because their unit place, in their unit place there are 4 and 8. So let's divide them by 2. The number we get here is 2 9s are 18 and 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. So here the shortest fraction we get is 9 upon 17. Here also you can divide it 63 and 56. So let's divide them. Both answers are correct. 18 upon 34 is also correct and 9 upon 17 is also correct. You can just do it in 6 question. Here you can divide it by 7. 63 upon 56 can be divided by 7. Both numbers are falling in 7's table. So here the new fraction we get is 9 upon 8. Because 7 8s are 56 and 7 9s are 63. So both answers are correct. You have to just multiply the numerators and denominators for multiplication. Now look at the next question. It's second question. It is a word problem. Ashok Rao planted bananas on 2/7 of his field of 21 acres. What is the area of the banana plantation? So here Ashok Rao have filled totally 21 acres, and of 21 acres part, 2/7 part he plants bananas. So we have to find out how many area they used to plant banana. For it we are going to multiply 2/7 by 21. Second question's answer is 2/7 multiplied by 21. So here the denominator is 1, and let's start to multiply them. The number we get here is 21 2s are 42 and 7 1s are 7. We remember the table of 7. We notice that there is 40 in the 7's table. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42. So 7 1s are 7, 7 6s are 42. Let's divide them and we get the answer is 6. So on the 6 acre field they planted bananas. You can write here as Ashok Rao planted bananas on 6 acres area of his field. Now look at the next question. It's third question. Of the total number of soldiers in our army, 4/9 are posted on the northern border and 1/3 of them on the northeast border. If the number of soldiers in the north is 5,40,000, how many are posted in the northeast? Look here. The total number of soldiers are posted on the north area is 5,40,000, and from it they are posted 1/3 to the northeastern border. So we just have to multiply 1/3 by 5,40,000 rupees. Here is no need to consider this fraction because the given in normal number how many soldiers are there in north area. So how can we find out the answer? Look, it's so easy. The third question is, write the total army here. On the north side it's 5,40,000, and of them 1/3 are posted in northeast area. So just multiply this number by 1/3, means 1/3. Now 3 is a divisor, so let's start to divide this number. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24, and 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, and 3 zeros are 0. So on the numerator side we have 1,80,000 multiplied by 1, and on denominator side it's only 1. So multiply it, it is a 1,80,000. So 1,80,000 soldiers are posted in northeast area. Just write it in words. 1,80,000 soldiers were posted in the northeast side or northeast area. This is the solution of our practice set 12. Let's practice it very well, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.